You love your Xiaomi Mijia G1. It keeps your floor sparkling, giving you more time to relax. But what happens when your little cleaning companion starts acting up? Your Xiaomi Mijia G1 just sitting there refusing to clean? The main brush is supposed to be spinning, but it's just stalled. It's like a cleaning strike. It's a common frustration for many Mijia G1 owners, and it's usually down to a faulty main brush motor, which can cause the brush to stop spinning. Think of it like your robot vacuum's engine. Without a working motor, the brush can't do its job. That's right. A broken main brush motor can lead to overheating, damage to internal components, and even a fire hazard. Worse yet, it can leave your floors looking like a war zone, while you're left with a hefty repair bill and the frustration of a broken vacuum. The solution is definitely a replacement, but we don't recommend doing it yourself. Trying to fix it yourself might seem like a good idea, but it could lead to a lot of trouble. We understand the DIY spirit. It's a great feeling to conquer a challenge and save some money. There's a certain satisfaction in tackling a repair yourself, but when it comes to your Xiaomi Mijia G1, a faulty main brush motor is not a job for the average handyman. Robot vacuums are not your average appliance. They're packed with sophisticated technology, sensitive electronics, and specialized parts. Attempting to fix a faulty main brush motor yourself could easily lead to further damage. You might accidentally disconnect critical wires, damage delicate sensors, or even cause a short circuit. Instead of risking more damage and potential headaches, trust the experts at RoboCare. Our technicians are trained to diagnose and fix the main brush motor problem on your Mijia G1 with precision and efficiency. We use genuine parts and specialized tools to ensure a safe and effective repair, keeping your vacuum running smoothly. But we don't just talk about results, we show them. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of how RoboCare has brought Xiaomi Mijia G1 back to life. Wow. See that? A RoboCare repair makes all the difference. We diagnose and fix problems quickly and effectively, getting your robot vacuum back to cleaning like new. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience. I can't recommend RoboCare enough. They saved me a lot of stress, money, and time. Their expertise and service are top-notch. If you're having problems with your robot vacuum, don't hesitate to give RoboCare a call. They'll get your vacuum up and running in no time. Don't let a broken robot vacuum hold you back. Contact RoboCare today. We're here to make your life easier, one clean floor at a time.